Hello and good day, dear customers. Welcome to our HAWO Academy. My name is Dirk Finkenrath, and on today's tutorial I would like to present to you our device HAWO made HM3010 DCV. Machine installation is now simple as usual. Please connect one end of the original mains cable to the machine, the other end to a suitable power supply, here 230 volts. The device HPL 3000 DCV is, however, capable to work on power supplies from 100 to 240 volts. Then please switch the device on. As follows: the machine is doing a short booting sequence and will later on display the temperature choice accordingly. The device has now completed its booting sequence and puts the screen with temperature choices on display. As you can see, the machine is now heating up to the chosen temperature of 160 degrees. Later on, we will be modifying this temperature in order to adapt it to the packaging material in use. The machine is now stabilizing temperature further. Please do not yet enter pouches. The machine has now stabilized temperature and welcomes you with the home screen. Now the device is ready for operation. In order to adapt now welding temperature to the packaging material that will be used, the procedure is as follows. Icon Settings, Data Input, Temperature, choosing the temperature value that shall be modified, deleting the present value, choosing the new value and programming it, confirming by Enter, exiting submenus, and choosing or reconfirming the new value. As you can see, the machine has instantly adapted temperature and is now ready for operation. In our packaging example, we will be placing the implant now in our packaging material in this pouch. Make sure to enter the pouch straight into the machine and waiting for the HPL 3000 DCV to transport the material, and as you can see, the usual perfect result. Thank you for watching, and just a final tip: do you actually know our innovative NanoPack family now available in customized color schemes? For more information, please use the link below.